getting someone to actually achieve their goal, whether that be running a marathon, half marathon, or even small things which completing everyday activities. So it might be a case of picking up children or just picking up their grandchildren. That's just as rewarding as reaching another goal as well. Hi, my name's Alex Williams. I'm from Cheltenham initially, but now I live in the Richmond area. I ended up this clinic because I used to literally live across the road, and then I met Paul, and I've been working here ever since now with Chiro.London. I actually studied locally at St Mary's in Twickenham, and I studied a degree in Sports Rehabilitation. So the course in total was for 3 years. I've done some kind of extended kind of qualifications in strength and conditioning, a bit of personal training as well, and some kind of other type of manual therapy. I love helping people, and I don't think there's any better job than getting someone feeling better. It's a great feeling, and I think moving forward, like getting someone to actually reach their goals is great for me. I really enjoy that. From around about 8 years old, I used to go and see a chiropractor, and I used to do a lot of sports growing up, so I found that useful. Chiropractic and soft tissue therapy for just keeping myself in good shape and making sure I didn't get any injuries. The chiropractic gets the whole nervous system reset, and for myself I help with the muscles and making sure that you're balanced correctly as well. So it kind of works in alignment, so it's not one treatment, it's the fact that they both come together really nicely. Mainly what we do see is people with back pain, but obviously coming from a sports rehabilitation background, we see a lot of different injuries as well, such as tendon injuries, knee injuries, shoulder injuries, and it can be a broad range of different things that we can help with. So obviously with it being a lot of soft tissue therapy, and sometimes on a long day it can be quite physical, but thankfully the chiropractors really look after me to make sure I stay aligned and tuned up, so that works really nicely and I don't really have any problems, but if it can sometimes be quite physical for me. I quite enjoy tendons, treating tendons, especially like Achilles tendons, patella tendons, and I think the thing is it's just about making sure that you kind of in the amount of load that you put through that tendon to actually help someone heal. It's quite fun because a lot of time the people get injuries with the tendon, sports people, is actually teaching them how to like manage their body a little bit better, and I quite enjoyed that, and like kind of teach them how to get better alongside treatment. When someone gets better and they weren't expecting to get better and they've kind of given up and then they can actually see results, that's amazing. I'm quite active, so I do a lot of racket sports, and then lately quite a bit of running, so I'm training for a half marathon in September. So yeah, I'm always kind of thinking about my volume load and how I'm recovering, just to make sure I don't get injured as well. So initially what we always do, we get to know the patient, we understand their health, their well-being, and then from there we learn about their goals and what they want to achieve, and then we do an objective assessment, so we actually look at their movement patterns, have a look if they've got any muscular imbalances, and then from there we have a chat about how we're going to address them. Normally from there we do manual work, so we actually reset the body, because sometimes someone can be doing the right exercises but their body not ready for it, so we make sure they're ready to do the exercises, and then from there we then give them exercises to address the underlying cause to make sure the problem doesn't come back.